Toyota pulled off something that luxury brands have been charging a premium for years to deliver, and they're doing it with a mainstream price tag. If you've been shopping for a crossover that feels genuinely premium but keeps walking away from dealerships because the numbers never quite make sense, this Toyota was built specifically to solve that problem. Most people assume that near Lexus interior quality, a fuel-sipping hybrid powertrain, and a one-of-a-kind exterior design are going to cost a fortune. But that's not the case. Stay with us as we count down 6 incredible reasons to hold out for the 2027 model. Number 6. Efficient yet capable powertrain. Most hybrid crossovers come with a quiet trade-off baked in. You get efficiency, you give up performance. The 2027 Crown Signia is tearing that trade-off apart. Beneath the hood, a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine is teaming up with 3 electric motors for a combined output of 243 horsepower. A dedicated rear electric motor is delivering standard all-wheel drive on every trim. No heavy mechanical drive shaft, no weight penalty, just intelligent torque sent precisely where it's needed. Think about what it feels like to fill up constantly, watching the pump tick past $60, $70, $80 while the guy next to you wraps up and drives away. That frustration is exactly what the Crown Signia's hybrid system is designed to eliminate. EPA estimates are landing at 41 miles per gallon in the city and 38 on the highway. Figures that most gas-powered rivals in this class simply can't touch. For buyers covering significant annual mileage, those savings are going to compound into thousands of dollars over a typical ownership period. 0 to 60 arrives in about 7 seconds. The electronic CVT keeps power delivery clean and linear. No rubber band hesitation, no lurching under load. Efficiency and capability, same package, no compromise. That powertrain is a genuinely compelling reason on its own. But a great engine means very little if the vehicle surrounding it doesn't back it up. And when it comes to the interior, the Crown Signia is about to surprise you in ways you probably aren't expecting. Number 5. Premium interior. There is a specific moment that happens when you first settle into the Crown Signia's cabin. You look around, you feel the surfaces, and you start quietly wondering whether you accidentally walked into a Lexus showroom. That reaction is exactly what Toyota is engineering, and the 2027 model is going to refine it even further. The dashboard is built around a horizontal layout with soft touch materials covering nearly every surface your hands encounter. Bronze-toned accent trims run through the cabin, adding visual depth without feeling excessive. The raised center console creates a driver-focused environment that feels architectural rather than assembled from a catalog. After a long day at work, the quality of the environment you spend your commute in actually changes how you feel when you arrive home. A cabin that feels cheap and plasticky grinds on you in a way that's impossible to ignore. The Crown Signia's interior is engineered to work in the opposite direction. Leather-trimmed seats with unique perforation patterns and contrast stitching, front seat heating and ventilation, a heated steering wheel, and tight panel gaps throughout. For 2027, Toyota is continuing to refine the materials and cabin ergonomics even further. This is the interior that makes buyers question whether a luxury badge is really worth the extra cost. The interior alone would be enough to put the Crown Signia on most shortlists, but there is one thing that separates it from every other crossover in this segment before you even open the door, and that's the way it looks from the outside. Number 4. Unique exterior design. Walk through any parking lot and most crossovers start blending into one another. Same rounded shapes, same generic faces, same profiles that all look vaguely familiar. The Crown Signia is the vehicle that refuses to participate in that exercise. The front end greets you with ultra-slim LED headlights stretching nearly the full width of the vehicle, paired with a bold grille that gives this Toyota a road presence most crossovers take decades trying to earn. From the side, the design becomes even more distinctive. Standing at 60.6 inches tall, shaped with the long, flowing silhouette of a wagon rather than the blunt, upright stance of a typical SUV. For buyers genuinely tired of driving something that disappears in a parking lot, this exterior design is the answer that most mainstream automakers simply haven't provided. At the rear, full-width LED taillights stretch across the entire back of the vehicle. Dual exhaust outlets integrate cleanly into the rear bumper. A subtle spoiler ties the roofline together. Every detail reads as considered, not accidental. That striking exterior is only part of the story, because once you look at what Toyota is packing inside in terms of technology, it becomes clear that the Crown Signia is competing well above its price tag. Number 3. Standard and available features. Some manufacturers build a base trim, strip it down to the bare minimum, and then charge a premium to add back what should have been included from the start. Toyota is not playing that game with the Crown Signia. The entry-level XLE trim arrives with dual 12.3-inch displays, a digital instrument cluster in the driver's sightline, and a center-mounted touchscreen with crisp graphics and fast response. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard across the entire range. Anyone who has fumbled with voice commands that require specific phrasing will appreciate what Toyota's Drive Connect service is doing here. Natural language processing means you speak normally and the system understands. Navigation with cloud-based mapping comes standard and stays current automatically. The available JBL 11-speaker audio system delivers tight bass, clear mid-range, and crisp high frequencies. A rear 120-volt AC power outlet handles laptops and other devices for rear passengers. Multiple USB-C ports are placed throughout the cabin. Upper trims are adding a panoramic sunroof that floods the interior with natural light. This is what a well-equipped crossover looks like when the manufacturer actually plans around the buyer. But technology means very little if the vehicle can't keep you safe. And on that front, the Crown Signia is bringing something that even vehicles costing far more can't always claim. Number 2. Safety. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard on every Crown Signia that leaves the factory. No trim exclusions, no optional packages, no upcharges. The pre-collision system has been upgraded to recognize not just vehicles and pedestrians, but also cyclists and motorcyclists, even in low-light conditions. Dynamic radar cruise control covers the full speed range from open highway cruising all the way down to stop-and-go traffic, managing acceleration and braking so smoothly it barely registers as automated. Consider what the daily commute actually looks like. Stop-and-go traffic, distracted pedestrians stepping off curbs, cyclists appearing from blind spots. The mental load of managing all of it for an hour each way adds up fast. That cumulative fatigue is exactly what Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 is designed to reduce. Traffic Jam Assist provides limited hands-free capability in heavy congestion below 25 miles per hour. The 360-degree panoramic view monitor delivers a complete bird's-eye perspective of the vehicle's surroundings, invaluable when reversing in crowded lots. Blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, lane departure alert with steering assist, and automatic emergency braking are all standard across every trim. So you're getting a hybrid powertrain, a near-luxury interior, a one-of-a-kind exterior, a full technology suite, and a class-leading safety package. The only question left is what all of this is actually going to cost, and that's where the Crown Signia's strongest argument is still waiting. Number 1. Mainstream price, premium experience. Everything covered today adds up to a vehicle that has every right to carry a luxury brand's nameplate. The Crown Signia is not carrying one, and that works directly in your favor. The base XLE trim is going to start at around $46,000, while fully loaded models will cost you a bit over $50,000. Most buyers shopping at this level have felt it at some point. The sting of finding the right vehicle, speccing it out, and then watching the price climb $15,000 past what felt reasonable. The Crown Signia skips that experience entirely. European luxury brands are going to ask $10,000 to $15,000 more for comparable interior quality. Toyota's own Lexus NX, built on closely related architecture, costs more while delivering lower fuel economy and less distinctive styling. Toyota's 2-year, 25,000-mile complimentary maintenance program adds further real-world savings from day one. Factor in 40-plus miles per gallon combined, and Toyota's proven reliability record. And the Crown Signia stops being just an emotionally appealing choice. It becomes the financially rational one. 6 reasons, 1 clear conclusion. The 2027 Toyota Crown Signia is bringing a hybrid powertrain that refuses to sacrifice performance for efficiency, a cabin that blurs the line between mainstream and luxury, an exterior design that stands completely alone in this segment, a technology package that punches well above its price point, a safety suite that comes standard on every single trim, and a sticker price that makes all of it genuinely accessible. That combination, in a single vehicle from a brand with Toyota's reliability record, is not something the competition is going to match easily. The buyers who recognize that early are going to be the ones driving something truly special. The ones who wait too long might find themselves settling for something far more ordinary. But to be honest, the Crown Signia isn't the only midsize SUV that offers luxury experience at mainstream prices. If you're looking for a mix of elegance and luxury, as well as more performance-oriented powertrain options, make sure to check out our video about the Mazda CX-90 you can now see on the screen. It's probably the only mainstream crossover that offers driving experience comparable to any premium badged competitor.